third day today here in Vietnam. And padulong mi sa Train Street again. Need to cross over there. See you later. Going to the Train Street. Are we na?
Oi, ankle breaker.
Hi Han.
Hello.
We're here in the train station again.
Yeah, with no head.
Second time around.
We're all trying to get across the tracks before it shuts.
Hi Han.
Can you remember my
So hi guys. We're going now to the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Mananamig paniod to. So going straight here, and then Peter just got some money in the bag. And along here we have there is a statue there. I don't know who's that. And just see you later in Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Well, nag-wait ka Peter sa withdrawing some money. Mag-observe lang ko diri sa gawas. And lagi na ako nakita na statue there. No, it's just crossing this road. There's some tourists who take a picture there. Vietnam Ho Chi Minh Museum is there. So we need to cross the road padulong dito para ma-witness mi sa Ho Chi Minh Museum. Okay, see you later.
areas?
Oh, this way. Maybe it's
This wide. That's why it goes on straight on up that. Lady, but I just knew she was a scammer from the start.